Hello there. So let's install Java JDK in our Mac operating system. So for that you need to open the terminal. Click on this search icon or just click command plus space and then type terminal. Let me increase the font size and just type Java and hit enter. And it says no Java runtime present requesting install. And if you go to more info and then it redirects us to this download page, or you can go to Google and type Java JDK and you will see the Oracle page. Just click on that and go to download section. So you can see these two are same page. So let me close one of this and you just need to click on this download button, accept license agreement. I'm running Mac operating system here, so I'm going to download this DMG file. So click on this link and my download is started. So it's a large file, so let me pause this video. So once your download is complete, go to download folder and here you can see your DMG file. So double click on that and it will going to open up the package. So just double click on that as well and our installation wizard opens up. So just hit continue and install and just enter your computer password and our Java JDK is installed. So hit close and here you can actually move this JDK to the trash. So let's move this to the trash and now come to the terminal. First of all, just close this terminal and open a new terminal from here. So let me increase this font and just type java-version and you can see we have installed the Java of version 12.0.2 and now we need to configure Java Home in our computer. And in order to see whether your computer has Java Home set up or not, just type echo and then dollar and type Java _ home and if you see empty, then there is no Java Home set in your computer. And in order to set the Java Home, you need to come to the root directory and as you can see I am already in the root directory. And if you are not sure whether you are in root directory or not, just type cd and then tilde command and then hit enter and now you are in the root directory. So let me show you some files here. So if I type ls-a and here you can see we have some normal folders as well as some hidden folders, for example .bash history, .bash session, and we need to place our Java Home variable into the bash profile, but you can see there is no folder called bash profile. So let's first create that folder. Just type touch and tilde command then /bash_ profile and hit enter. Now if I do ls and -a, then you can see we have that folder called bash_ profile. Now let's open this bash_ profile. So for that just type open -e and then .bash_ profile and hit enter and our bash profile opens up. And here you need to type exactly what I'm typing. Alright, export Java _home is equals to, so make sure there is no space in between them, otherwise it will not gonna work, and then /u as our user and then leave exe execute /Java _ home and close the bracket and go ahead and save this file and save. And you can now close this and I suggest you to close this terminal as well and reopen this terminal. And here if you type echo $Java _ home and you can see we have successfully set up the Java Home path in our Mac operating system.